Alright, so in this section we're going to be looking at arcs and arc measures. Um, First off, a definition of a minor arc. A minor arc is less than 180 degrees, and a major arc is greater than 180 degrees. So to find a minor arc, the measure of the central angle is going to be the same as the measure of the arc. And to find a major arc, you're going to subtract the minor arc from 360 to find a major arc. So we want to find RS, which is simply the angle is 110 degrees, so the arc is going to be 110 degrees. We want to find RTS. So RTS is going to be equal to 360 degrees minus 110 degrees, and that's 250 degrees. And finally, we want to find RST. RT is the diameter. So it's going to divide the circle in half, so it's going to be 180 degrees. And down here on the bottom, example 2, we want to find the measure of arc GE. So that's going to be GH plus HE, so it's going to be 40 plus 80, or 120 degrees. We want to find the measure of arc GEF. So that's going to be 120 degrees plus 110 degrees for EF, and that's going to be 230 degrees. Finally, we want to find the measure of GF. So GF is going to be 360 minus 230. That's 130 degrees. Here we want to find AC. So AC is going to be AB plus BC, so it's going to be 29 plus 108, and that's going to be 137 degrees. We want to find ADC. So that's going to be 137 plus 83, and this is ACD, ACD is going to be 137 plus 83, or 220 degrees. We want to find ADC now. So we're going the other way. So we're going to have 360 minus 137, and that's going to equal 223 degrees. And lastly, we want to find measure of EBD. So that's going to be 360 minus 61 degrees. That's going to be 299 degrees. Down at the bottom, we want to find TQ, and that measure is 120 degrees. We want to find QRT. So QRT is going to be 360 minus 120. or 240 degrees. We want to find TQR. So TQR is, TR is a diameter, so it's going to equal 180 degrees. We want to find QS, and I believe they're going with the alphabet going up, so it's going to be 180 degrees as well. It'll be 60 plus 120. Or 110 plus 60. 110 plus 60. We want to find TS, and that's going to be 360 minus 80 is 280. And finally, RST, again, that's going to be 180 degrees because of the diameter. So here we have two theorems: congruent circles. If the radius are congruent, the circles are congruent. And if they have, in the same circle, if there's or in congruent circles, two minor arcs are congruent if and only if their corresponding central angles are congruent. So we're asked on these to say if they're congruent or not. A is congruent, has the same central angles, also has the same radii, will be congruent. B has the same angles, but the arcs are not the same, so this is not congruent. C has the radii are congruent as well as the central angle, so they are congruent. Number 7, again, the radii and the angles are congruent, so they are congruent. 8 has the same angle but has different radii, so they're not congruent. Finally, all circles are similar. If you think about it, they have the same thing. There's going to be some sort of ratio somewhere. So this is a proof to show you that all circles are similar.